about miscible liquids and immiscible liquids. So let's start. Firstly, take 2 glasses of water. Put some lemon juice in first glass. Put some mustard oil in second glass. You will see lemon juice will completely dissolve in water. But mustard oil makes another layer over it. This is because lemon juice is miscible liquid and mustard oil is immiscible liquid. Liquid that dissolve in water are called miscible liquid. Liquid that do not dissolve in water are called immiscible liquids. Hope you will like this video. Now we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.